Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Both the LG TV and your phone or PC must be on the same Wi-Fi band so packets route quickly. Once done, enable screen share or miracast on the TV from the home dashboard so it listens for incoming connections. Next, on your device open Smart View or the cast control in display settings. This initiates discovery. You do this first so the TV is ready to accept. Otherwise, discovery will fail. Now you pick the LG TV in the device's cast or screen share list. The device sends a handshake request and the TV responds. Make sure to accept any pairing prompt or enter the PIN displayed on the TV. That exchange secures the stream and prevents accidental connections. After pairing, choose whether to mirror the entire screen or just a single app or window. Mirroring the whole screen shares system audio and navigation, while an app stream isolates content. To finish, make sure the TV input remains on the screen share source and confirm audio levels. This maintains the session and prevents the TV from reverting to another input. If you notice lag or stutter, move devices closer, reduce network load, or switch bands to 5 GHz for higher throughput. If mirroring fails, restart the TV's screen share, toggle cast on your device, or reboot both devices. This clears transient network or discovery errors and typically restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.